How to verify Facebook account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can verify Facebook account. Facebook verification refers to the process of getting an account or page verified. When Facebook verifies an account, it adds a blue check mark beside the account name to show all the users that the account is authentic. Now keep watching this video until the very end to know the exact process on it. Now let's get straight into it. Now firstly, open up the Facebook application from the home screen and then get logged into your Facebook account. Now once you get logged into your account, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now from here, you have to tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen, and there you will be taken to the menu page. Now from this page, you have to tap on Help and Support option, and there from the drop down menu you have to tap on Help Center option. Now once you're in the Help Center page, you will be able to see this search bar on your screen. Now there you have to search for verification, and there you will be able to see 4 different options on your screen. Now tap on one of these options, and there you will be taken to the next page. Now you have to tap on the very first option, Request a Verify Badge on Facebook. Now from here, you have to tap on this Fill in this form, which is highlighted in blue color. Now from here, the real verification process will be started. Now firstly, you have to choose if you want to verify your page or profile. Now in this video, we are going to verify our profile. So tap on Profile option, and there you will be asked to enter your profile link in the next field. Now paste your profile link in this box. Now heading toward the first step, you have to confirm your authenticity. Add an official identification document for yourself or your business to show that your page or profile is connected to the public figure, celebrity or brand it represents. You can see this option of document type. Now tap on this down facing arrow and choose the document type. Now you have to add documents by tapping on Choose Files button. Now to the step 2, confirm your notability so that the public figure, celebrity or your brand page or profile represent is in the public interest. Now you have to choose the category by tapping on down facing arrow, and there different options will pop up on your screen. Now choose which category represents you. And now you will see this option of country or region. Just type in your country or region in this box and then head toward another option, audience. Here you have to describe the people who follows your page or profile, include who they are, what they are interested in and why they follow you. And after that, head over to the another option, also non-age. Here, you have to list all of the names that the person or organization your page or profile represent is known by. Include different names and the same name in other languages. Now, here you can provide the link for different social media platforms, add up to the 5 articles, social media accounts and other links that shows your page or profile is in public interest. And after that, carefully review the information you provided and make sure it matches the details on your account. And then click on the send button to send your verification request. Once you submitted your information, Facebook will review it. The time it takes for verification can vary, so be patient. If your verification is successful, Facebook will notify you and you will likely to see a badge next to your profile name. It's important to note that not everyone may be eligible for account verification on Facebook. The verification process may be limited to certain types of accounts such as public figures, celebrities, popular brands or entities of public interest. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I will be back soon with more videos like this.